Hi guys, how are you? Good morning everyone. What's up? I hope you people are doing well. My name is Shivam Pandya and I welcome you all to Careerwill GS English Medium. As you people know that if you people are suffering with Hindi medium content in GS, so you need not to take the tension. Careerwill is here with its best faculty and with its best mentor and with its best content for GS. Careerwill is always known for the uh, best things that Careerwill produces, that Careerwill gives to you people. So you need not to worry regarding English medium content. Okay, when Careerwill is here. Now, buddy, let's start the session. Okay, let's start the session. Now, let's talk about the very first question. What does this first question wants to ask? When we talk about this particular question, what is the main objective? Okay, just wait. What's the main objective of India's 2025 Rafale M deal with France? Okay, what's the main objective? To boost land air force, boost naval aviation, to boost drone capacity, to boost submarine fleet. Come on, what's the main objective? It's a very easy kind of question. When we talk about this particular question, India is buying 26 Rafale M jet to strengthen. India is buying. India is buying 26 Rafale M jet to strengthen India's Indian Navy's career base air power. Okay, these jets will operated from aircrafts like, okay, these jets will operate from aircraft carrier like INS Vikrant. Okay, INS Vikrant is the aircraft. Now, when we talk about the Rafale M is the naval version of the France Rafale jet by the uh, aviation, and when we talk about the INS Vikrant, remember guys that INS Vikrant is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. And what's the name of the company from which Rafale is being purchased? Its name is Dassault Aviation. Dassault Aviation. When we talk about Dassault Aviation, French company Dassault Aviation is making Rafale and making Rafale and Mirage jet. Okay, so these are the things that we people should. After this, naval aviation key for India's maritime security and power projection. So these are the things that we should know. So what would be the right answer? To boost the naval aviation. Okay, B is the right answer. And what's the name of the company that is making? Its name is Dassault Aviation. Remember this thing. These are the important points for our exam point of view, and we should know about these particular things because these things are really very important. Trust me, guys. These things are really very important for your examination that you are giving, like SSC and all. Come on. Now let's move towards the next question. What does next question wants to ask? What major technology milestone did DRDO achieves recently? Which technology did DRDO has achieved in recent time? Okay, successfully tested anti-satellite missile. Guys, and what does anti-satellite missile do? It destroy the satellites. The work of anti-satellite missile system is to destroy the satellite in the space. Okay, only few country has this particular technology, and India is also one of those particular country. Successful long duration scramjet combustion test, successful underwater missile launch, successful nuclear submarine trial. So what are the things that India has done in this particular thing? Good morning, Priyanka Roy. How are you? Good morning, buddy. Come on, try to answer this particular question. Come on, buddy, everyone. You people have to answer this one. Okay, come on. Now, the right answer is the successfully long duration scramjet combustion test. Now, buddy, now. When we talk about scramjet, scramjet means supersonic, supersonic combustion ramjet. It works at speed above 5 Mach. It is the 5 times the speed of sound. It is the 5 times speed of. Now you may imagine the speed. What a beautiful speed it has. Okay. Now, guys, when we talk about DRDO, its full form is the Defense Research and and Development Organization. And when we talk about the next organization, that is the DRDL, DRDL, DR Defense Research and Development Laboratory, Defense Research, and Development Laboratory. So these are the things. Very good, buddy. Very good. And remember one thing, when we talk about this particular thing, so DRDO's DRDL unit tested and advanced scramjet combustion over 1,000 seconds. This boosts the Indian hypersonic weapon development. And remember one thing, India is the part of MTCR. And what does MTCR stands for? Missile Technology Controlled Regime. Okay, India is the part of MTCR, which is known as Missile Technology Controlled Regime. If a country is the part of this particular prestigious group, then the country has the power to extend the range of the missile. Okay, like we have done with the BrahMos, because India and Russia both are the member of MTCR. That's why the speed of BrahMos is high. After this particular thing, hypersonic, I told you about this particular thing. And India is among the few countries. Which have this particular technology and working on hypersonic technology, like US. Countries like US. After US, we have the country Russia and China. So we are in this particular zone. So the right answer is B. And the right answer is B. Okay, come on. Third question. What is the main aim of NASA's quantum gravity gradometer Pathfinder, QGGPF. First of all, you should know the full form of this particular thing. Okay, come on, buddy. Answer this one. Answer this one. What is the main objective of NASA's quantum gravity gradometer Pathfinder? Okay. Study black hole, map Earth's gravity field with a high precious, detect the gravitational waves or measures solar wind. What's the work of this particular thing? When we talk about this particular thing, the work of this is to map Earth's gravity field with the high. Okay, B is the right answer. Very good, buddy. Very good. Now, guys, NASA and it's a combined work of NASA and QGG. NASA, it's a not NASA and it's NASA's work. QGGPF is a quantum sensor designed to accurately map the Earth gravity field. Is to accurately map Earth's gravity field. After this, what we will do about this thing, why we are measuring the gravity field of the Earth, what's the work, okay, what's the reason behind this? The reason behind this particular work is to understand underground resources, water movement, and tectonic activities. Tectonic activity. Quantum sensor use automatic level measurement, making them extremely sensitive. When we talk about NASA, what's the full form of NASA? What's the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, it's USA's Space Agency. It's US Space Agency. I'm not getting your comment, buddy. Please be specific with your thing. Okay, come on. So these are the things. Are we good about these things? Now, guys. Next thing, when we talk about the gravitometer, okay, gravity gradiometer, it measures tiny difference between the gravity or the small distance, and quantum technology, it's the prestigious one, you know. It used the principle of quantum physics for ultra sensitive measurements. Now, guys, let's move towards the next question, the question number 4. What does this question wants to say? Why is the Bull's Galaxy LEDA 1313424 uniques? Okay, the galaxy that is near. Come on, buddy. Answer this question. Come on, guys. Hurry up. Hurry up. Question number 4. It's the largest galaxy known. It has the 9 distinct rings. It is the nearest galaxy to the Earth, or it has the oldest known star. Now, guys, when we talk about this particular galaxy, this galaxy is the special because it has the 9 visible rings. Okay, it has 9 distinct rings. This galaxy is special because this galaxy has the 9 distinct rings, and after this thing, which are visible rings, a rare structure not commonly found in any other galaxy ring in this galaxy often formed due to the uh, collision of the gravitational interactions. Such rings help astronomers to study the galaxy formation and dynamic. When we talk about the galaxy, what does galaxy means? Okay, what does galaxy mean? What does galaxy means? Okay, it's a system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter bound by gravity. Famous ring galaxy. What's the name of famous ring galaxy? What are the famous ring galaxies? They are Cartwheel. Remember Cartwheel galaxy. Next one is the Hogs galaxy. Hogs object. Okay. Come on. Now, when we talk about the origin of the earth and the universe, origin of the earth and universe, in this particular thing, buddy, it is divided into three different parts, or three different theory has been propounded by them. When we talk about this particular name, scientist has catalog name of Bullseye galaxy. Okay, its name is being uh, it has 9 visible rings. That's why this particular name is being given. Okay, 9 distinct rings. That's why this particular name is being given. Okay, Priyanka. No, but it is not visible from Earth by naked eyes. It is not at all visible from Earth through naked eye. Now, when we talk about the origin of the Earth and universe, here we have the three different theory like the Big Bang, Big Bang theory. It tells us about the formation of universe, formation of universe and solar system. Okay, like a disk like this structure was there. Next one is the protoplanet hypothesis. This protoplanet hypothesis tells us about the formation of solar system and planets. How planets work. Next is the Kahn's gaseous hypothesis. When we talk about Kahn's gaseous hypothesis, Kahn's gaseous hypothesis was propounded by Immanuel Kant. It tells us about the formation of Earth. It specifically tells us about the how the formation of lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere was formed. Okay, so these are the things. Are we good about these things, buddy? No, no. Now, guys, let's move forward. Let's talk about the next question. I hope you people enjoying this particular session. I hope so. Do let me know in the comment section, everyone. What's the key goal of India's record cargo movement in inland waterways in financial year 2024 and 2025? Come on, everyone. What's the key goal? Come on, answer this one. Answer this one. To reduce the environmental impact of road and rail transport, to promote tourism in river region, to establish India as a leader in maritime trade, to improve the passengers ferry service network. What are the ferries? Ferries are like the boat. Okay, they work like a river taxi, you can say that. Okay, ferries are the boat or the river taxi. What's the key goal of India's record cargo movement on inland waterway? Inland waterways means India is using it rivers for the transportation purposes like River Ganga and many other rivers, but majorly River Ganga is being used. Like there is the best example of inland waterway is the River Rhine. Okay, in Germany, River Rhine uses its Germany uses its river for the inland waterway. So to reduce the environmental impact of road and rail transportation, because they produces the carbon emission, and to reduce the carbon emission from the trucks, from the tractors, from the railway. So India is taking the alternative through inland waterway. Now guys, when we talk about these particular thing, India is aimed to boost the use of the inland waterway for the cargo movement, reducing the reliance on road and rail transport, thus lower logistic cost and the carbon footprints. So these are the things. When we talk about Inland Waterway Authority of India, Inland Waterways Authority of India, the government body respond for developing, regulating, okay, sustainable transport. When we talk about the sustainable transport, so Inland Waterways Authority is the more eco-friendly compared to the rail road, emitting few greenhouse gases. When we talk about the key national ways, it including National Waterway 1, which is in River Ganga, National Waterway 2 of Brahmaputra, and National Waterway 3. Again, it's in Godavari. Godavari. So these are the three national waterways. Come on. Clear, guys? No. After this, the right answer is A. Now let's move towards the next question. Sixth question. What does sixth question wants to say? Sixth question wants to ask, what is the significance of China's recent hydrogen bomb test that does not require uh, fissile, fission materials, fissile materials. Come on, it's a kind of tongue twister. Fissile material. Come on. Guys, remember one thing. Remember one thing, that China's hydrogen bomb test, which use magnesium hydride based ignition hydrate base ignition bypasses the need for traditional fissile material, okay, posing a challenge to existing global nuclear non-proliferation framework. Okay, these are the things. When we talk about the hydrogen bomb, it's a thermonuclear bomb. Hydrogen bomb. It's a thermonuclear bomb, a weapon that uses nuclear fission to release the energy far more powerful than atomic bomb. Remember this thing? This is the more powerful than the atomic bomb. And magnesium hydrate, magnesium hydrate, a chemical compound used used in this new fusion ignite method. Okay, so these are the things. These are the things, guys. Now, what is the right answer? Very good, buddy. Very good. The right answer is the B1. Challenge. B is the right answer. It challenged the global nuclear treaties by using the alternative fusel material. What are the global nuclear treaties? It's like NPT, non-proliferation treaty. If a country wants to supply the nuclear material, then that particular country would be the member of NSG, and country will only supply the nuclear material to the member countries only. Okay, and if a country wants to become the member of NSG, then that particular country has to sign the NPT, non-proliferation treaty. What's the full form of NSG? Nuclear supplier group. When we talk about the NPT, if a country has signed the NPT, then the country is not be able to make the nuclear weapon in future, and country has to destroy its existing nuclear weapons. Okay, that country has, so it has to destroy its all the nuclear weapons. So these are the things that we need to. Are we good about these things? Come on now. Now let's talk about the next question. Okay, and remember one thing, guys, it raised a concern about the compliance with the global nuclear treaty such as nuclear non-proliferation treaty. Okay, and NPT. And what's the right answer? The right answer is the B. B is the correct answer. Come on, let's move forward. Seventh question. Seventh question. Okay, what does this question want to ask? What is the significance of India's first generation therapy trial for the hemophilia? Okay, come on. Try to solve this particular question. Try to solve this question. What's the significance of India's first generation therapy trial for the hemophilia? It makes the development of a cure for cancer. It is represented a breakthrough genes based treatment for hemophilia. It aims to treat the genetic disorder using the CRISPR technology. CRISPR technology is the very sophisticated technology. Okay, it focuses on reducing the synthetics blood products. Okay, what's the right answer? Guys, when we talk about the CRISPR technology, CRISPR-Cas9, okay, its full form is CRISPR-Cas9. When we talk about it it's very sophisticated technology. If suppose person has some genetic disease like which is transferred from one generation to another generation, like diabetes, like hair fall, like blood pressure or any other disease. So the defected DNA would be cut through this technology and it will be removed, and the uh, another DNA will be activated automatically through this particular technology. Okay, it's a very sophisticated kind of technology. Now guys, when we talk about this particular thing, the right answer is the B. It represents the breakthrough in the genes based treatment for the hemophilia. CRISPR-Cas9 is not the right. He is the correct one. Now, India's first generation therapy trial for hemophilia aims to treat this genetic bleeding disorder by using the gene based treatment rather than traditional method like clotting factor infusion. Okay, the trial led by the BRIC in STEM in Bangalore and support by the CMC Vellore. Okay, when we talk about the hemophilia is a genetic disorder where the blood does not clot properly using the excessive bleeding. Okay, so these are the things. When we talk about the gene therapy, guys, remember a treatment that modify or replace the genes to cure the disease, and hemophilia is a genetic disorder that impairs the blood ability to form the blood clots. Okay, so these are the things. B is the right answer. This question is from the science and tech. Okay, it is important one. You may put the star over this particular question. This question could be asked in the examination. Okay, it's an important one. Now, eighth question. Eighth question. Look towards the eighth question and try to answer. It's a personality question. Who was the Mutyali Govindas Shankar Narayana, who recently passed away at the age of 92? MGS Narayana was a respected historian known for his contribution to Indian historiography. Again, MGS Narayana was a respected historian known for contribution to Indian historiography, especially in the field of Kerala history and society history. Okay, so these are the things. Now we have a term which is known as histography. Yes. When we talk about this particular term, it is the study of the historical writing. Okay, the study of the historical writing and the development of history as a discipline. Okay, so these are the things that we need to know. Nobody. Let's move towards the next question. Before moving towards the Next question, what's the right answer? Right answer is the B1. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Okay. So B is the right one. Come on. Now let's move towards the second last question of the day. Very good, Priyanka. Very good, bye, guys. Come on. Just tell me the next question. What's the purpose of allowing What's the purpose of allowing foreign companies acquire up to 49% stock in Indian nuclear power sector? What's the purpose? What's the deal behind that particular thing? Come on. The purpose to increase the coal-based power production to promote foreign investment in renewable energy. C is saying to boost India's nuclear power capacity and traditional to low carbon energy to privatize the existing nuclear plants in India. Okay, what's the right answer? 49% stake is being given. Okay, what's the right one? Again, B. Let's see. To promote the foreign investment in renewable energy? No, guys. To boost India's nuclear power capacity and transition low carbon energy. C is the right answer. Okay, C is the right answer. And India plans to allow the foreign companies to invest up to 49%. India is not giving the majority stake. India is giving only 49%. This move aims to attract the foreign investment in the nuclear energy, which can help India meet its nuclear demand while also reducing the dependency on fossil fuel. When we talk about the nuclear power energy produced from, when we talk about the nuclear power means that energy produced from controlled nuclear reaction, typically used in large scale power plant. Guys, remember, when nuclear energy is produced, then the enrichment is always enrichment is less than 20%. If enrichment would be more than 20%, then that particular nuclear is being used for the weapon material, not for the civil purposes. No worry, buddy. Need not to worry. Okay? Need not to take the tension. Now, let's move towards the next question. And what does next question is asked? Okay, 10th question. Now, guys, before moving to this particular 10th question, let me say that this is the question of the day. I have to give this answer in the comment section. Okay, you people have to answer this particular question in the comment box. Hi, Shekhar, how are you? How are you, buddy? You have to answer this particular question in the comment section. Okay. Bali Airport received the platinum honor at the ACI Green Airport Recognition 2025 for its efforts in. It's the easiest one. This question is the easiest one. Okay. And after this particular thing, if you want to follow us on YouTube, our main channel, SS Careerwill, SSC 2024. Next channel is Careerwill 1. Careerwill app is there on Facebook account. We have Facebook page with our name only, Careerwill app. We are also on Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram. You can follow us on Telegram. On Telegram, you will get the regular update of the classes. You will get the regular updates which are being done in all of these particular channels. We are also on X, so you may follow us there also. You have to do the thing that you have to click on the link, any of the link you may click where you want to follow us. Okay, and don't forget to join me at 3 p.m. at in geography section. And in geography today we will going to talk about the concept of river. That what is the river? What's the definition of the river? Any flowing stream is known as river? No, sir. There is some specific definition of river. What are the sources of the origin of river? We will talk about the conceptual thing regarding the river at 3 p.m. So don't forget to join me there. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you people enjoyed this lecture. Thanks a lot, Jahan. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your day with full energy. Okay. See you at 3 p.m. Don't forget to join me at 3 p.m. Okay. I need you people there. Bye-bye. Thank you and Jahan. If you have any doubt, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.